Hello, and welcome to What GP38-2 Would You Choose? First, I feature Grand Trunk Western GP38-2, number 5722. This locomotive is featured in my Grand Trunk Western Locomotives poster and in my Railroads of Illinois poster. Next, I feature Indiana Harbor Belt GP38-2, number 3802. This locomotive is featured in my Indiana Harbor Belt Locomotives poster. Next, I feature Burlington Northern GP38-2, number 2270. This locomotive is featured in my Burlington Northern Local Train poster. Let me know what GP38-2 you would choose by leaving a comment in the comment section of this video. Also, please let me know what other railroads and locomotives you would like to see featured, and which locomotive would you choose. Thank you so much.